right to education म्हणते दिलेलें and we were very clear what would be the situation. म्हणजे rights were given to the students to decide certain things, parents certain things, and it was very clear right to education was very important. Now parents and the children, even the children are in a constant fear. भुरगीं भिवपा लागलें. कित्याक भिवपा लागलें? कित्याक कोरोना केसीस वाडले. Hospital situation is so pathetic that patient जो तरी हॉस्पिटलान वता हे हॉस्पिटलान आनी त्या हॉस्पिटलान ताका बेड ना आनी ऑक्सिजन ना, कांय फॅसिलिटीज सारके नाय. हेसो सिट्युएशनाचेर आय थिंक द चीफ मिनिस्टर should reconsider the decision. Now there are two issues in this thing. Some parents want to send, some parents don't want to send. What about those parents who don't want to send, along with their children who don't want to go? Freedom should be given to the parent. They are asking, will online classes be there for them? Whether they will be taken next year because they have not come this year? All these doubts are raised in the minds of the parents. Therefore, I think the Chief Minister, in the fairness of the situation, or rather the situation demands that the schools should be, opening of schools for the 9th standard and above should be reconsidered. Now every time we have been opposing these things, that the Chief Minister and the administration goes against our wishes. This time I think the Chief Minister should reconsider, because parents are calling us. We as public representatives, I get calls from parents who ask us what will be the situation. There are some parents who don't want to send their students at all. They say forget about 1 year. Doubt is whether next year they will be taken or not. Anyway, I think we should all be united on this thing. I request everybody, all parents, to think wisely and tell each of their representatives that we should somehow reconsider opening, because as per international standards, the second wave also is coming.